Hi everyone, this is Courtney with Texas Teacher. Today, I want to talk to you about some common mistakes people make on the speaking for both the BTLPT and the LOTE. So if Spanish is your first language, you speak it at home, but you grew up here in Texas, went to school in the United States, your Spanish is probably different than the Spanish from somebody that grew up in Mexico or Spain or Puerto Rico, right? So it's not better or worse, it's different. And we use different words in Texas. And those words are Spanish, but they're not appropriate for the test always. So words like chansa, when we're saying chance, we want to say oportunidad. Instead of saying lonche, we want to say almuerzo. Instead of saying troca, we want to say camioneta. We never want to say email. We always want to say correo electrónico. So some of these words that we throw in that are English, like email, you're going to lose points for, right? And the other words are more of the words that we use in Texas that are not formal academic Spanish. So your Spanish isn't wrong. It's just different, and we need to tweak it a little bit, make it more formal and academic so you have a chance of passing the BTLPT or LOTE. So if you need help, maybe you just need to polish your Spanish a little bit. Maybe if you're taking the LOTE, you need to learn pedagogy. I can help you make your Spanish more formal, academic, can teach you pedagogy, teach you where accent marks go, all of the things you need to know to pass either the BTLPT or the LOTE. So give me a call or send me a text at 361-846-0741. And for the BTLPT, I especially encourage you to take it soon because they're changing the test and it's going to be a lot different. So it's good to take it now because I think this version is easier. Again, my number is 361-846-0741. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.